twice.
Oh. So, is that the new one, or did you?
No, that's the original.
Oh,
We wanted it
that's
restored.
fucking awesome.
Aww.
It's Papa's old truck from 1955. That's the original one.
Wow.
It's restored to like how it was.
Oh my God, that's beautiful.
It's a 1955 Tonka.
This was given to me by my grandpa and grandma. It was my dad's favorite toy when he was a kid, and it was all rusty and chipped and broken. And Justin took it and had it sent off and had it restored to brand new.
Yeah, the guy's name's Rusty Shepherd who did it. And yeah, he goes by Rusty Shepherd, and there's actually a YouTube video of him actually restoring it. Sandblasting. I know you.